How's it, Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel? Today we're going to be talking about the Nida Cups. Alright, so before we get started, please subscribe to this channel and make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated with all our future videos. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. In the Knight of Cups, a knight rides a white horse and holds out a golden cup as if he bears a message from the heart. Over his armor, the knight wears a cloak covered with images of fish, the symbol of water, consciousness, and creativity. His helmet and boots are winged, a symbol of an active and creative imagination and an appreciation for beautiful things. Okay, so the Knight of Cups. All cups denote feelings and emotions, element of water, the zodiac sign of Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, in the pursuit of an ideal quest and realization of dreams and wishes. The beginning of a new project or new opportunities may come from a friend or a young man with a sensitive soul, with light brown hair and hazel or blue eyes, an artist, a writer, or a poet. Keywords: creative interests, proposal of marriage, love and happiness, sensitive, friendship, and propositions or offers. Okay, so these are the Celtic cross positions below. That's the key position number 1 and flag position number 2. Now we've got a video, if you look at the top right hand corner of this video, where we did a video on the Celtic cross. It explains all these positions. So I suggest you go watch that first before you carry on. Celtic cross position. Key position number 1, situation. A. Right or wrong, you're putting in too much energy into the emotional aspects of the issue rather than its other elements. B. You're being too single-minded in your efforts to arrive at a solution or answer to your question. C. Your boredom or inertia inherent in the present situation may result in you wanting to fix it in a hurry or get out before you fully examine the role you've played. Only after you've examined your impulsiveness can you make an informed decision. Okay, so flag position number 2. Challenge. A. You feel the urge to follow your heart and your dreams. B. Whatever activities you engage in will serve to enlighten you in ways that are not obvious when it began. C. Devotion to a cause may awaken, and new intense feelings could either be positive or negative. Question. A. What emotional or intuitive focus do you have involving a relationship? B. At what point do you feel you need to make a commitment to a relationship or a job offer? Alright, so the Knight of Cups in the upright position and the Knight of Cups in the reverse position. In other words, upside down. Alright, so the Knight of Cups is the classic romantic of the tarot deck. He's in touch with his intuition and emotions. He shows compassion and understanding towards others because he's learned to understand his own feelings and emotions. He is kind, caring, and very in touch with his feminine side. He might be found creating art inspired by his innermost feelings or appreciating a vibrant sunset. His heart is wide open and he wears it on his sleeve. He shares his love freely with others without constraint or worry. He is in love with love itself. You may find yourself drawn to a particular passion or hobby, and now is the time to turn it into something. While you are in no hurry to reach the finish line, keep in mind that true imagination feeds on action. If you do nothing with your dreams, they will remain just that, dreams and not reality. When it comes to making decisions, the Knight of Cups is ruled by his emotions and his heart. You are making decisions on how you feel about a situation rather than what you think, even if others can't make sense of what you're doing and why, and your intuition guides you in everything you do. Alright, so the Knight of Cups in the reverse position, in other words, upside down. When they're reversed in a tarot reading, a creative project is emerging, but you're not ready to act on it just yet. You may need to spend most of your time dreaming up what is possible or how wonderful it will be when it comes to fruition. You may need to ground your ideas into reality. Figure out how much it will cost, how much time it will take, what resources you'll need, and so on. This will give your project more weight so you can move forward with implementing your idea. At times you can be sulky, moody, and jealous. You may feel frustrated that you're not being given the opportunity to dream and create, and allow your emotions to get the better of you if you're not getting your way. For example, you might quit your job so that you can work at home only to realize that you miss the social contact with your co-workers. Or you might sell your house to travel a country only to find that your camper van needs a whole new engine on day 2 of your journey. Okay, so that's it for the Knight of Cups. Our next video is going to be on the Queen of Cups, as you see in front of you. Alright, so please like this video, please share it, and once again, subscribe to our channel. It's free. And also make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated with all our future videos. Alright, until our next video on the Queen of Cups, this is Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Good day on you.